Let me share with you 3 easy steps to achieve a glowy skin with just natural ingredients that you already have in your kitchen. Welcome to episode 10 of the series From Dark Spot to Glow, a 30-day skin rehab. In this series, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 easy steps that you can use to achieve a glowy skin with natural ingredients that you have in your kitchen. So we are going to be making use of turmeric, honey, and milk. So watch. Turmeric has brightening properties. It contains a compound known as curcumin, which helps to fade dark pigments and brighten up the skin, while honey is known for its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and wound healing properties. And it also contains humectants to add an extra glow to your skin and prevents the overproduction of sebum on your skin. While milk, on the other hand, is hydrating and it will help to keep your skin soft and glowy. So use this mask 2 to 3 times a week to achieve a soft, glowy look. Remember that after you make use of this mask, moisturize afterward and use your sunscreen if you are going out in the morning, and if you are going to be using it at night, use just your moisturizer and your face cream. Let me know if you're going to be trying this at home and follow for more tips like this.